The latest round of crash test results from safety experts Euro NCAP have been announced, with a maximum 5-star rating for all 7 cars tested. But what do the results actually show us? Well, with the help of Thatcham Research, that's what we're going to tell you right now. And if you want to buy any of these extra safe cars, head to the new car buying section on whatcar.com to find the best deals, and subscribe to our channel to get all our latest new videos direct to your YouTube feed. We haven't even driven the new Renault Clio yet, but it's already achieved an incredibly impressive crash test result. It scored the joint highest mark for adult occupant protection in the small car class, which was recorded by the Volkswagen Polo in 2017. In Thatcham's eyes, this is the star of the latest round of testing. As a small car, it's at the more cost-sensitive end of the scale. You can do a lot more for safety in bigger, more expensive cars. So, considering the Clio's price point, it has performed incredibly well. The level of safety assistance is the highlight. For some years, Renault has been lagging behind some of the collision avoidance technology its German counterparts have had. But this latest test sees the French manufacturer coming back very strongly. Child occupant protection scores are also incredibly high, scoring 23.7 out of 24 points. This is a car that will be popular with families, and that 89% score for child protection is the highest score so far this year. The Mazda III is another pick of these latest results, with the highest adult occupant protection score registered so far this year at 98%. Mazda has raised the bar again. These latest Euro NCAP crash tests are the most stringent ever, and they've seen manufacturers rising to the challenge. Mazda has consistently produced safe cars. In all areas, the Mazda impressed. The only thing that was classed as adequate to good was the lower legs of the driver in the frontal offset test. But that's only very minor, which is why it's 98% rather than 100%. If you look at the frontal offset crash here, you can see how stable the passenger compartment is. You could walk away from that crash, and that is truly remarkable. You'd still probably have a headache though. The new Volkswagen T Cross achieved a strong set of results across the board. It's in one of the fastest growing sectors of the market, one that will surely be popular with families, and it offers very good occupant protection. In fact, it's one of the highest scores ever seen. There's a good balance of adult occupant protection, child protection, and safety assist scores, with good collision avoidance too. The weakest part is in the frontal crash. Similar to the Mazda III, the driver's lower leg was classed as marginal, but 97% is pretty brilliant still. It's also impressive that the autonomous emergency braking works effectively at high speeds on the T Cross. Manufacturers face a difficult task with making electric cars safe. It's important to protect the battery pack, otherwise you might end up with a fire, but you don't want to make the car too heavy. It's a difficult area, but Audi has risen to the challenge with the E-tron, which has become one of the safest electric cars tested. The pole crash is the really telling one for electric cars. It replicates a car spinning off into a tree. To perform well in this test, you need a lightweight structure that still resists intrusion into the vehicle. You've got to have a very stiff structure, which is difficult to do around the central B pillar of the car, which is around the middle, as you can see here. You need a good restraint system to protect the occupants too, but the e-tron has exactly that. It recorded similarly impressive results as one of its main electric car rivals, the Jaguar I-Pace. The other cars tested include the Lexus UX, Toyota Corolla, and Toyota RAV4, all of which gained the maximum 5-star mark from Euro NCAP. Toyota and Lexus has a track record of high active and passive safety results, and the safety assist score for each of them is an impressive 77%. And if you want to see how far car safety has come over the years, click on the banner in the top right-hand corner to see a new car crash tested against one that's 20 years old. So in a year when crash test and collision avoidance tests have got harder and harder, manufacturers have dug in and got brilliant results from it. For much more on all of these cars, including our extended written reviews of them, head to whatcar.com. And if you want to buy any of them, go to the new car buying section on our website to see how much money we could save you. And please subscribe to our channel and give this video a like if you've enjoyed it, or leave a comment if you have any questions.